This morning we're inspecting this single-story masonry fireplace, 11131 Chimineas in Northridge. You can see that the flashing looks satisfactory, even though it's a little rusted. There's a few, these would be called moisture cracks, cracks in the crown. That'll tell us that it's rebar reinforced. Likely terracotta liner, and it does have the clearance out of the cap. This spark arrestor is no longer code and no longer allowed to be used for burning. If you were to burn, you need to put on a stainless steel spark arrestor chimney cap. Just look down your flue. We're going to put the camera through here and take a look. We need to resurface the crown, repair the several joints that need to be repaired, and install a stainless steel spark arrestor chimney cap to meet the code. Alright, continuing inspection. It's 11131 Chimineas. You can see a crack in the back wall. That's going to need to be patched. See a good buildup of creosote. That's going to need to be cleaned. So cleaning and a patch in the firebox here to seal up the crack in the firebox. And they call this the lintel area here. And this should be a solid, smooth area so that heat and flue gases don't get out into the room potentially. So that needs to be resealed to the point of the steel bar that's right here at the bottom. And this is a metal breastplate. And so we're going to look at the rest with the camera. Okay, so the smoke chamber here, this is a big buildup of creosote soot. It's the top of the damper at the bottom there. It's actually beginning to become a chimney fire risk. And so what we'll look at is the transition into the flue. Okay, so this is the terracotta liner. See a little bit of a mortar popped out in this area here. And so water's been getting through this chimney without a spark arrestor rain cap. Some erosion of the mortar is to be expected. That little gap is all I see so far in the smoke chamber. And we go up to the next joint. Alright, we're going through that first liner. Found a vertical and a horizontal crack in the first liner. This will be earthquake damage. This chimney is going to need to be relined at a minimum. There is no structural movement up top, so this can actually be repaired by recoating the interior with 3000 degree mortar. Okay, first liner section going up. Some eroded mortar in the joint there, slight crack at the joint, horizontal crack. This is not a crack in the mortar, this is actually the remnants of what would be called a chimney fire, so the chimney's creosote inside is actually burned a little bit, so cleaning desperately needed. Okay, second liner up. Slightly eroded mortar, slight cracking in the joints. More heavy creosote. A little bit of protruding mortar there. Third liner section. We got eroded mortar in the liner section joints. Into the top liner section, there's been some more mortar out of the joints, a couple of cracks at the top in the liner joint. Not a big deal when it's at the top. This is all natural light that we're looking at. Okay, and just a quick look at the exterior. You've got the outside cleanout door that's intact. You've got the flashings that are solid down below here and up above. You've got no cracks at the horizontal shoulder there. So you've got no structural issues. Flashing looks satisfactory. Wood can touch the chimney as long as there's a terracotta liner, so that's okay. No spark arrestor chimney cap. Okay, last test is using this little carbon monoxide alarm gas detector to test for any leaks, any carbon monoxide leaking out of the opening.
Are you close by? What makes it easier for you?
Okay, so the bars are pointing down, they should be pointing up. The theory was that the ash wouldn't fit in that, but the actual method is the other way around. So the bar just needs to be turned, and that takes care of this inspection.
Okay, alright, I'll see you then.
This is the meter testing for any carbon monoxide leaking back. That's where it's supposed to go off, so that's a satisfactory test because it's not going off out here. So the gas test is good. And then at the bottom, we need to take care of that ash dump door, replace that, seal it in.